Ndewo ndị nke m. Welcome to lesson 9 of Igbo in Diaspora. Today, we will learn to describe the weather and talk about seasons in Igbo. Let's explore what the sky is saying. Repeat after me. Anyanwụ, sun. Mmiri ozuzo, rain. Ifufe, wind. Oyi, cold. Okpomọkụ, heat. Ihu igwe, weather. Let's describe weather conditions. It is hot. Okpomọkụ dị. It is raining. Mmiri na-ezo. It is windy. Ifufe na-efe. It is calm. Ọ dị jụụ. The sun is shining. Anyanwụ na-enwu. In Nigeria, there are mainly two seasons, the wet and the dry season. Dry season, oge ọkọchị. Rainy season, oge ọtụtụ mmiri. But there are some characteristics that are peculiar to these: cold and hotness. So, oge oyi, cold season. Oge okpomọkụ, hot season. Let's use these words in sentences. Oge ọkọchị dị ugbu a. It is dry season now. Ọ dị jụụ n'abalị. It is cool at night. Mmiri na-ezo taa. It is raining today. Anwụ na-enwu nke ọma. The sun is shining brightly. Your turn to practice. Say these in Igbo. It is raining. The sun is hot. It is windy this morning. I love cold weather. You can rewind and practice. Let's review. Anyanwụ, oyi, mmiri ozuzo, ifufe, oge ọkọchị, oge oyi. Now, homework. Look outside and describe the weather in Igbo. Post it in the comment section down below. Phrase of the day is igwe, na-akọ, akụkọ. The weather.